The remote start feature on your 2022-2024 Jeep Grand Cherokee allows you to start your engine from a distance using either the key fob or the Jeep Wave smartphone app. This is a convenience feature to precondition your vehicle's temperature. The system is integrated with the Uconnect 5 or 5.1 infotainment systems. The feature is standard on most trims, starting with the Laredo, and optional on base models. No major recalls specific to remote start have been issued, but cybersecurity enhancements ensure encrypted signals. To activate remote start using your key fob, press the lock button, then immediately press and hold the remote start button, which is the circular arrow button, for about 1 to 2 seconds. The vehicle should honk twice, the lights will flash, and the engine will start. The vehicle will run for a maximum of 15 minutes. Before using remote start on your Jeep Grand Cherokee, certain conditions must be met to ensure safe and proper operation. First, the vehicle must be in park with the gear selector positioned correctly. All doors must be closed and locked for security. The hood must be fully closed. The panic button on the key fob must not be pressed, as it would cancel the remote start. The fuel level must be above a quarter tank. For 4xe plug-in hybrid models, the high-voltage battery must have sufficient charge. The remote start system on your Jeep Grand Cherokee includes important safety features to protect both you and your vehicle. First, the engine will automatically shut off if the system detects any intrusion, such as someone trying to break into the vehicle. This prevents unauthorized access while the engine is running remotely. Additionally, the engine stops automatically if the key fob moves out of range, typically around 300 feet, ensuring the vehicle doesn't run unattended if you walk away. For security against signal jamming, the system uses rolling codes. Each time you press the button, it generates a new, unique code that changes constantly, making it nearly impossible for thieves to intercept and replay the signal. If you need to cancel remote start at any time, simply press the remote start button on the key fob again. The system will immediately stop the engine. All remote start signals are encrypted for enhanced cybersecurity, protecting against potential hacking attempts and ensuring your vehicle's security remains intact. For extended range up to 1 mile, use the Uconnect app. The app requires a Stellantis account and Wi-Fi or cellular data connectivity. Open the app on your smartphone and follow the on-screen prompts to initiate remote start. The app provides real-time vehicle status updates. If remote start fails on your Jeep Grand Cherokee, here are the common issues to check. First, ensure all doors and the hood are securely closed. The system won't start if any door or the hood is open. Second, verify the fuel level is above a quarter tank. Remote start requires sufficient fuel to operate safely. Third, check the key fob battery. A weak battery can prevent the remote start signal from reaching the vehicle. Fourth, restart your Uconnect system or check the Stellantis app for known issues or available updates. Finally, if the problem continues, contact your local dealership for professional assistance. Note that a firmware patch in late 2024 addressed remote start failures in extreme cold temperatures below -20 degrees Celsius. Automotive experts recommend scheduling annual system checks to ensure your remote start feature remains reliable and secure. Never use remote start in enclosed spaces like garages to prevent carbon monoxide poisoning, which can cause symptoms including headache, dizziness, and nausea. Overusing remote start can drain your vehicle's battery, particularly in cold weather when batteries lose power more quickly. According to surveys, 72% of Jeep Grand Cherokee owners use remote start weekly, especially appreciating its convenience during harsh weather conditions. First-time users experience a 25% error rate, which underscores the importance of reading clear operating instructions for proper setup and use. The trend is shifting towards smartphone-centric controls for remote start technology. AI-enhanced remote start may incorporate predictive analytics based on calendar events or weather forecasts. Expect to see more integration with smart home systems and biometric authentication in future models due to cybersecurity concerns. The app-integrated remote start will likely be standard in 90% of SUVs by 2027.